progeCAD 2020. What's new? The new progeCAD 2020 version offers numerous utilities and commands to make the drafting process quicker and easier. Among this functionality you can find tool palettes for blocks, hatches and frequently used commands. Support for BIM, RVT, RFA, IFC, and recap file types. The graphic user interface is improved in usability by the tool palettes, which organize blocks, hatches, and custom tools in tabbed windows, easily customizable by drag and drop. For drawings with multiple repetitive elements, progeCAD 2020 provides the new Blocks Explorer palette, with drag and drop support for quicker and easier inserting of internal blocks, along with a block editor which offers a special authoring area to enable clearer drawing and editing of blocks geometry. Improved BIM support. The improved collaboration possibilities, exchanging data with engineers, architects and construction professionals using Revit or other BIM software. progeCAD 2020 users can now enrich drawings with millions of Revit BIM blocks, thanks to a direct link to the BIM & Core portal, where they can download free, high-quality objects and data, designed for use with BIM and CAD. The new CAD engine ensures better performance in opening and saving files, improved stability and compatibility with Autodesk, AEC, Civil, Geomaps and mechanical files. Recap files import. 3D laser scan files, import and visualization in all the major file formats. The new version now also supports recap, RCP, RCS file formats. Enhanced tools and features. Construction line, improved visualization of text and entities using anti-aliasing technology, formulas in tables, digital signature. XREF Notify. progeCAD displays a balloon when an XREF is modified. Print 3D hidden with silhouette. The creation of clean 3D prints on curved solid parts, printing in hidden visual style. New commands and express tools. Add selected. Array path. Area text. Dim Poly, the automated dimensioning of polylines. Change block, rename block, create line type. Download progeCAD 2020 and try all the new features. After a free 30-day trial, you can buy a perpetual and affordable license with no annual fee.